Hi everyone, welcome to the journey from Malaysia to India. So I'm wearing the PPK kit, but before that we have to book our ticket. So for booking a ticket, we have to go to India Embassy for Malaysia. As I'm from Malaysia, so I'll type Malaysia. If in case you are from other country like USA, you can type your country name and you will be directed to the website for your Indian embassy in your country, that is High Commission of India in Kuala Lumpur in my case. Now as soon as you visit the website, you will see this form where you can check your schedule for the flight by clicking here. Then you can see the passenger list and you can even register here. So first I'll check the schedule for the flight. So it will direct me to this page where I can check my schedule, when is my flight available and what is the expense for it. It's showing in Malaysian ringgit, so you can convert to your currency, book the flight accordingly. Now if this page has gone, so you just have to refresh the page again to get that form, and now you can again see the form. Now if I want to show you the passenger list for the different flights which are been allocated and approved, so you can check it from here. You can click on any of the destination and you can find out your registration number if you are confirmed or approved for the flight journey. Then if you are new and you want to register for the next upcoming flight for your destination, you can click here and you can register your name by filling up this form. Once this form is filled, you will get a registration number. The registration number will be used further for the further process for ticket booking. Once this process is done and your registration number is approved for booking the ticket, you will receive an email from Oscar Holidays, who is approved vendor for our Indian embassy in Malaysia. So once you receive the email, you can book the ticket either online or offline. I personally have visited Oscar Holidays to book the ticket offline because certain frauds may also happen in online transactions, so I have not taken any risk and visited Oscar Holidays personally. Now I am heading towards the KL airport for boarding my flight. Here in Malaysia, very strict rule has been followed. So wherever you enter, either a shopping mall, either an airport, so you will get a barcode to scan, and once you scan the barcode, you have to enter your name and your phone number, and then only you will be able to enter the place. For me, I am heading to Bangalore, so I have to board on Terminal A, which is not yet open. So we were waiting there and we got this form to be filled up. Once this form is filled up, you have to submit this form in India, not here. So you have to keep that form with you and you have to submit your passport here in this window once the window is open. And then once they verify that you are the registered user and you are confirmed, your booking is confirmed, they will allow you process further. So once that is done, here you will get a token for your check-in baggage and the meal coupon. Now once that is done, you have to check in your baggage in your check-in counter, and here there is a limitation of 25 kgs for check-in baggage and 7 kgs for the cabin baggage. So you have to strictly follow this, otherwise you have to pay huge amount. Once you have submitted your check-in baggage, you have to collect your boarding pass from the same window. So I am done with this process and I have collected my boarding pass. After collecting the boarding pass, there is another counter where you will get your meal. After that, we headed towards the immigration window. And before proceeding further, again there was a security check for your cabin baggage. This was a small photo shoot kind of place where we have captured many photos, and the airport was very vacant during this COVID situation. So that's why our economy is going down. Now that the final immigration check has been completed, we can now head towards boarding our flight, but the window is not yet open. So we are waiting for the window to be open and then the security check will happen. After the security check, I got to know, oh my god, I have got the middle seat, and because of that I have to wear this PPK kit for my rest of the journey. The kit was looking very similar to the Bollywood movie Krish uniform, but in white color. The Krish uniform is in black and PPK kit is in white color. But after wearing the face shield, it was kicking me off to feel like a scientist. It was me and one of my friend who was boarding the flight today. My friend was from Bangalore and I again have to travel to Pune after reaching Bangalore. So the flight looks like it's ready. Now the airport authority were calling us by the slots of their seats. Finally boarding the plane to India. Inside the plane it was feeling very horrible because each and every person you see looks like a patient, and you have to be safe and protected from every one of them. We have got this snacks kit sitting at our seats, and now we are ready to take off. After the 4 hours journey in the flight, we have finally landed to the Bangalore. After landing, we had few tests which was followed by the rules, and after that test we have to go for the immigration, and once the immigration is completed you can collect your baggage from the baggage counter. We were lucky to get the home quarantine from the Bangalore itself, and me and my friend both got the stamp of home quarantine there, and then I headed towards my transit flight which was for Pune. Before you proceed to book your transit flight, please check the rules of the baggage, because I have paid the extra money for my luggage, as domestic flight don't allow to exceed more than 20 kgs, and also only one baggage is allowed in check-in bag. Now after reaching Pune airport, again I had some problem that the rules for quarantine is being changed here, and you have to go for institutional quarantine for at least 7 days, then you can move to home quarantine, unless you have a genuine problem like health issues and all. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and subscribe the channel.